Now chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. The introduction part we will see. We have already seen that how to locate a point on a number line. Okay, from 5th standard itself we are studying that how to locate a number, how to locate a point on a number line. You also know how to describe the position of a point on the line. Okay, we know that how to indicate. We suppose that if I will say that locate -5 on number line, so you just know that -5 is on the number line on the left side of that number line. Okay, so there are many other situations in which to find a point we are required to describe its position with reference to more than one line. Okay, with reference to more than one line. For example, consider the following situation. अभी यहाँ पे देखो एक फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन दिया है कि जैसे आपका अगर एड्रेस होगा, ओके, अगर मैंने बोला आपको आपका एड्रेस का लोकेशन दो मुझे, तो आप लोकेशन कैसे दोगे कि जैसे आप एक रेफरेंस दोगे कि एक मेन रोड है, वहां से आपको एक और मेन रोड मिले, सब रोड मिलेगा, तो यहाँ पर वैसे ही दिया गया है जैसे कि यहाँ पर एक एग्जांपल दिया गया है फिगर नंबर 3.1 में. ये देखो, there is a main road running in east west direction. Look here, there is one main road running in the east west direction. Okay, also one street has house numbers are marked, so house numbers also there. Look here again, here the street number 1, look here, 1 2 3 4 5, here house numbers are like this. Again street number 2, here 1 2 3 4 5, again here street number 3, 1 2 3 4 5, street number 4, 1 2 3 4 5, street number 5, 1 2 3 4 5, street number 6, 1 2 3 4 5. In this way, in all that streets, that there is a different house numbers. Okay, to look for a friend's house here, it is enough to know only one reference point. Okay, what we need only one reference point. For instance, if we only know that she lives on street number 2, okay, if we know that she lives on street number 2, will you able to find her house easily? एक सपोज आपको इस क्वेश्चन में अगर एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन दिया गया होगा, ओनली सिंगल इंफॉर्मेशन कि स्ट्रीट नंबर 2 पे उसका घर है, तो आप इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो उसका घर? नहीं ना, क्योंकि आपको हर एक हाउस के पास जाना पड़ेगा और आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो एग्जैक्ट वेयर हर हाउस इज, तो आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन सफिशिएंट नहीं है, आपको सेकंड इंफॉर्मेशन भी लगेंगी. एंड विच इज दैट सेकंड इंफॉर्मेशन? house number. Which number? House number you will require. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We know two pieces of information about it, namely the number of street, yes, number of street on which it is situated, and the house number, and the secondly house number. If we want to reach the house which is situated in second street and the number 5, so you can simply say that it is H. First of all we would identify the second street and then house number 5 on it. Like in figure 3.1, H shows the location of the house. What H shows? The location of the house. Similarly, point P shows. Now where is point P? Look here, where is point P? Here. Now you can say that it is on street number 7 and house number 4. House number 4. In this way we can find location. So from this, what you understand from this figure, that to locate a point, at least we need 2 pieces of information. What we need? 2 pieces of
Information.
Yes, 2 pieces of information. अगर आपको कोई भी एक पॉइंट लोकेट करना है, जैसे कि ये प्लेन पेपर है, देखो ये एक प्लेन पेपर है, इस प्लेन पेपर में सपोज मैं आपको एक डॉट करके दूंगा यहाँ पर, जस्ट डॉट लाइक दिस. अगर मैं बोलूंगा इसकी पोजीशन कहाँ पर है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, क्या बोलोगे आप, कहाँ पर है उसका लोकेशन? आप बोलोगे कि फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड फ्रॉम बॉटम 9 सेंटीमीटर। आप इस तरह से उसका लोकेशन बताओगे। तो यहाँ पर भी आपको 2 पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायर हो रही है। ये देखो, ये 1 पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड दिस इज सेकंड पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। एम आई राइट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ। So we need 2 independent information for finding the position of the dot. Now perform the following classroom activity known as sitting plan. Now see, your exam sitting plan have you observed? In that also it is same system. Okay, where was your location, where was the room location? So whenever you are looking your sitting plan, that time first of all you just find block number. Which block number? Information number 1. Then where is your seat number? Second information. Means there also you need 2 piece of information. How many piece of information? 2
Two
piece.
pieces of info.
Yes. यहाँ पर देखो वही दिया है उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 में। ठीक है, ये देखो कुछ इस तरह से, जैसे कि आपका सपोज ये क्लासरूम है, इस क्लासरूम में यहाँ पर टीचर है, सपोज टीचर इज हियर, so this is column, these are the rows, so here is the position. What we can say, where is the position of this Sonia's desk? Tell me. In
5,3.
we can say in the third row, or we can say in the fifth column,
Fifth column and third row.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम रेफरेंस जो देते हैं ना वो पहले देते हैं बेस का। यहाँ पर बेस कौन सा है? कॉलम बेस है, मतलब ये जो है ना ये बेस है। बेस हमने कंसिडर किया 5 and then this 3, 5,3 is the location of this desk. Understand?
Yes.
In this discussion
Yes, sir.
above, you observe that position of any objects lying in a plane can be represented with the help of 2 perpendicular lines. Means any information we can represent by 2 perpendicular lines. In case of dot, we require distance of the dot from bottom line as well as from the left edge of the paper. In the case of sitting plan also, what we require? The number of column that and that of the rows. This simple idea has far-reaching consequence and has given rise to a very important branch of mathematics known as coordinate geometry. Now see, this simple mathematics is become a branch and which is known as that coordinate geometry. Okay, so in this chapter we aim to introduce some basic concept of coordinate geometry. So you will study more about these in your higher classes. Okay, there are so many studies. So this study was initiated, developed by French philosopher and mathematician Rene Descartes. Okay, so information about this scientist is given here. So by his name, by his name, that plane is also known as Cartesian system, or we can say Cartesian geometry. Okay, understand that Rene Descartes, these are the scientists, who is a great French mathematician of the 17th century, like to lie in bed and think. One day when resting in bed, he solved problems of describing the position of point in a plane. His method was developed of the older idea of latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is known as Cartesian system, and that we can say Cartesian geometry. That geometry we can say that it is a Cartesian geometry. Understand? Now
Yes, sir.
simply one example it is given, you can try to solve yourself because already we have discussed. Street plan it is given. and this question number 1. Here it is given that how you will describe the position of table lamp. So solve these questions and send me. Okay. Solve yourself. It is very much simple. Tomorrow we will see further part. Okay. Okay. Shall I end the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.